Hi guys, exciting news and opportunity for you guys to win something fancy. So we've just come out with a new coaster design. This design is a VS Code little cheat sheet, so you've got all your little shortcuts here. Like our Raspberry Pi Pico version, serves the normal coaster, I was going to show you, but that's not going to work, coaster properties. But this time we've got a little design. It's, what is it, immersion gold?
Immersion gold finish.
With our,
Dark
this time,
mode.
Dark mode black background.
yes, looking a little bit cooler. Now we have a massive batch that has just arrived, pretty much just before we started the recording, here in this box. So we've just got a load of these. Oh my goodness, did you want to take them? Ready for you guys to purchase. So if you're wanting this VS Code version or the Raspberry Pi Pico, link will be in the description for purchase right now. However, our first batch of the VS Code version came with, oh my goodness, my voice, came with a little misprint. So we're going to give you guys two options. Away of the limited edition versions. So to enter, we would just say leave a comment in the description box down below, but it seems to be against YouTube's regulations. So if you check out our Twitter, X, I think it's called now,
Whatever they're calling it.
we will have a post about this free giveaway. So if you just retweet that tweet with the hashtag VS Code Coaster, we'll show you that now.
So I'm here on the Google Apps Twitter, sorry about the focus and the glare, and I'm going to go to our latest tweet. Going to like it. This is the giveaway tweet. This is the important part. We're going to repost it with the hashtag.
Careful, it's not focused.
Sorry. VS Code Coaster.
Let it focus a sec.
And then we'll post that.
There we go.
There we go. And then
we're going to select one of you guys. Once you've retweeted the free giveaway tweet with the hashtag VS Code Coaster, we will take all of you guys, pick a winner, and announce the winners on Sunday in a live stream. If you want to just let us know what the best time for a live stream would be, just let us know UTC what the time.
Yeah, in the comments.
What time, and we'll decide a suitable time to do the live stream. Again, we also know some people don't like to use Twitter or X.
Yeah.
So alternatively, you can contact us using the contact form on our website. Links will be in the description, and just give us a little username that you want to go by, so that we can use that username when we announce, to reference you when we announce the winners. If you win the free giveaway on the live stream, you can enter on the day. Just let us know if you want to enter before we choose the winners, because we're going to choose them on the live stream.
Put it in the chat.
Yeah. So to recap, if you're wanting to purchase one of the VS Code full price ones, or the Raspberry Pi Pico coaster, then links will be in the description for those. Alternatively, if you want the limited edition, discounted price, again, limited description will be in the link will be in the description down below. And then why not enter the free giveaway, you know? Anyways, also thank you so much for everyone who has been buying and purchasing these coasters. We didn't expect so many people to be interested in purchasing these. We've had people from all around the world buying them. I think this guy in Australia kept coming back and repurchasing them time and time again, which was crazy to see. And you know, people from all around the world are purchasing them, so we've had to figure out how to send them to the different countries. And the support we've been given, the comments, the reviews, brilliant. So really supportive. Thank you so much, guys. Hopefully you guys like the VS Code version.
Yeah.
Anyways. Oh, also sorry about things being all up in the air at the moment. We've got mocks at the moment. It's quite stressful with exams, like A-levels and GCSEs. So just bear with us. So get yourself a VS Code. Enter the challenge. Get yourself a VS Code coaster. And probably see you guys on Sunday. Have a brilliant day. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Our Raspberry Pi Pico pin-out PCB coaster is still available to purchase on our shop. Keep an eye out, because we will be doing a giveaway for this one as well. So keep an eye out on our socials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll leave you with our promo for the giveaway.
Hi guys, exciting opportunity to win one of these snazzy new VS Code coasters in this free giveaway. So to enter, retweet this tweet with the hashtag VS Code Coaster. Hopefully you guys can win. The winners will be announced on Sunday in a live stream, so good luck guys.